Welcome back to the Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. And today, tread carefully with us as we delve into the world of the death cap, known scientifically as Amanita Phalloides. Here we go. The death cap is considered one of the most toxic mushrooms in the world. Even a small amount can be fatal if ingested, with its toxins attacking the liver and kidneys. Interestingly enough, the death cap has a pleasant taste, which unfortunately has led to many accidental poisonings. When foraging for mushrooms, always ensure you properly identify your mushrooms before consuming them. This deadly mushroom can be found across many parts of the globe and is often mistaken for edible varieties due to its unassuming appearance. It has a greenish cap, white gills, and a bulbous base. The mysterious world of mushrooms is vast, with both benign and deadly members. Discover more on the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Always stay informed and ensure to subscribe to the Mushroom Network for even more fungal wonders. Thanks for watching.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.